Hello, I'm Mark Feuerborn, reporting for the Washburn Review. I'm currently standing inside of the Henderson Learning Center, one of the places around campus that will host this spring's Apeiron this Friday. The Henderson Learning Center and Carroll Chapel will each be hosts to presentations in this year's Apeiron, an event made to showcase students' research projects and performances in various subjects. Dr. Michael McGuire, a member of the event's Publicity Committee, shared some insight on the opportunity available to these students.
It's open to all disciplines. Practically any major will be represented, could be represented at Apeiron, because basically what they're working on are similar to like capstone projects. So we're going to have some theatrical performances, some musical performances, as well as scholarly endeavors. So yeah, it really spans a whole wide gamut of different types of projects. There are several benefits for both faculty and students. One of the things that this showcases is our interactions with students and students' hard work and commitment to going above and beyond typically the normal course requirements. So, and the other thing is students are going to be able to write this on their vita or their resumes. They can show that they have done something of significant value here at Washburn. And on the other hand, faculty get a chance to mentor students and showcase that they have supervised undergraduate research projects as well on their vitas. The other thing is this is open to the whole community, so we get a chance to showcase what we've done and help others in the community learn about what's going on.
Dr. McGuire also explained the merge between the Washburn Transformational Experience and the Apeiron.
Whenever a student is interested in working on a project, or faculty members are interested in mentoring students on projects that sort of have a bigger scope than what you would typically see in a semester for like a capstone project in a major, they can work on a transformational experience. It's very unique in that students get to work sort of one-on-one with faculty members and vice versa to learn more about their surroundings or tackle a question of significance. And in the past, normally, if you work on a WTE, one of the requirements is that you present your findings, which is reasonable. I mean, why bottle up all this knowledge and information to yourselves? Share it with others. And that typically was held on a day called the Day of Transformation. And that there's normally one in the spring and one in the fall. And given that Apeiron is very similar to the spirit of the Day of Transformation and sharing knowledge with others, Apeiron and the Day of Transformation merged. So now it's just called Apeiron in the spring. And then we have a similar event in the fall, but that's the Day of Transformation.
The schedule for tomorrow's Apeiron will begin with registration and check-in at 10 a.m. for audience members and participants. Fine arts presentations and performances will start the event off at 10:30, followed by oral presentations at 1 p.m. and a last lecture at 3. At 3:45, the Apeiron will move into its poster session held in the AB room of the Memorial Union.
I think the best bet is just for students, especially freshmen and sophomores. Juniors might be familiar with this, but for the students that are not familiar with Apeiron or Day of Transformation, come check it out and see for yourselves what it's like.